is Crystal. I own a travel consultant company planning destination weddings, honeymoons, and other travels based out of the United States. Although that's where I'm from, I relocated to the Caribbean island of Aruba, where I live with my husband and dog for over 3 years now. This life I built at one time was just a dream, but welcome to my reality. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. We just landed in Naples Airport in Italy, and we are on our way to the Amalfi coast. The drive was pretty long, about 2 hours in total. We didn't hit a lot of traffic. We got to drive through a lot of scenery. It was actually really beautiful, and along the way, our driver gave us a lot of information. We drove through this mountain region, which was really beautiful, and next thing you knew, we were passing lemon trees and into all of these little cove towns in the Amalfi coast. Now, we actually stayed right in Amalfi town. There are several locations to stay on the Amalfi coast, including Positano, Sorrento, but I wanted to stay right in Amalfi, and as you can see, it is just gorgeous. Our hotel is all the way on the right, that white building you see on the bottom. Hey guys, we are here in the Amalfi coast. We are staying at Hotel Marina Riviera. This is just one of the basic rooms, and look at this view. This is room 74, so follow me down the hallway and I'm gonna show you guys something else. So we are situated in the best area, the best hotel in Amalfi that gives you a view of the entire little coast here. It's called Hotel Marina Riviera, and it literally has the best views. This is where we're having breakfast every day. We had dinner here last night and watched the sunset, so it's just gorgeous. So we are at the rooftop terrace, and yesterday we actually had lunch up here. There's some tables over here, a bar, and of course the beautiful view, also a pool and some lounge chairs. Really nice. So this is the beginning of the little Amalfi strip. So there's the Amalfi coast, which has a ton of little towns throughout, and we're staying directly in Amalfi. You saw our hotel behind us. We can literally walk to the end in about 10 minutes, but there's a bunch of little alleys in between where you can shop, little restaurants over here that you can go and eat. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of everything. The Amalfi area is highly known for lemons, so we're gonna get a little treat here that they're known for. It's a lemon sherbet inside of a lemon, and some of these lemons are massive. Grazie. Oh my god, this is so good. If you like lemon, you have to come here. Are you even in the Amalfi Coast if you haven't tried a lemon spritz.
Limoncello factory.
Yep.
Then if you want, Minori is very local, it's not like Amalfi.
Right now we're gonna go visit famous little Limoncello factory. They're gonna open it up for us. It's Sunday, so it's not very common to do this on a Sunday, but Filippo got us in. They work with green lemons as opposed to the yellow ones, so it's supposed to be a little different. And we're gonna go check that out now. We're here at a limoncello factory tasting some limoncello. They actually opened it up for us today on a Sunday special just to try it, and it's really good.
Prego.
So they just use the skin?
Yes, just molto sottile, fine. No, non white, no.
So his wife and his daughter are doing this. He's always selling it.
Yeah? He's the hustler. And what with the rest of the lemon?
The rest of the lemon just squeezing for juice.
The mix finish, tutto naturale. È un limone particolare che ce ne sono poche e noi facciamo delle bottiglie numerate.
Special lemon, where they make it like 1,000 bottles. The bigger one are done, so all sold it.
Yeah.
Now he has only this small.
But you're supposed to take a little
Non si capisce
sip.
mi sa.
You're like chugging it. It's fucking, I'm drunk. Been here for 5 minutes. Hey guys, so today we are doing a private tour with Amalfi private driver. His name is Filippo and he will be tagged here. He is going to show us around. Right now we are in a little local village called Minori. And this part of the coast is all Italian tourists. You're barely gonna find any Americans here. So everyone around us is a tourist, but they're from like inland, northern, maybe even southern Italy. And behind me is all lemon trees. That's all trees. I think it's called a field of lemons, he said. So that's pretty cool to be surrounded by that. Check out the beach. Okay, so down by the water there's another bakery cafe that's more known for like tourists, and this one behind us, Gambardella, our tour guide said is more known for locals. So we're actually going to go in that one and pray they speak English. So one of my dreams was to come to a lemon farm, and he made it happen once again on a Sunday. I don't know how, but here we are. There's these lemons all over the ground. Look how big these are. This isn't even the biggest one we've seen. This is like a medium size. Some of them are literally as big as a freaking melon. So there's a lot on the ground here, and of course a ton in the trees. It's so surreal to see. I love, love, love the lemon trees.
spent all the cost.
Oven. Right now we're at a local, really authentic restaurant in the middle of the mountains, and we are going to have some lunch and possibly see a mozzarella making demonstration. They have a farm here. We've seen some grapes. Supposedly they have some cows, so we're gonna walk around a little.
My father, my brother, and my nephew,
Pasquale.
Pasquale. Okay. The process 3 hours. Cut and separated the zero and cagliata. Cagliata down and zero up. 3 hours is good. And depends the temperature, okay? In the winter.
Of the weather. Now she put the salt inside the cagliata.
Okay.
And this boiler water.
Mi ascolti da vicino tutto quello che succede bene. Fare che
Faccio video.
usiamo come sbagliamo una mostra.
It is process filatura. Aruba.it. Okay.
Mozzarella, the name is because in
Mozz,
Italian
no?
the verb is mozzare. For that it's mozzarella.
Eccoci qua.
This way.
Some aperitif.
Eccoci qua.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, easy. Okay, so we just sat down for lunch and they are going to make us a surprise lunch. We're not really sure what they're making, but it's all going to be like authentic stuff. Apparently they have goats here. What else do they say? Tomatoes. They make the mozzarella, grapes. So we got a bottle of their wine made here. So everything is just like authentic farm to table, which I love this type of experience. So definitely really cool.
It's a homemade chicken.
Oh, it's chicken.
Yeah, it's a chicken.
E sala aromatizzato.
It's a salt aromatic.
Vuoi vedere le pecorelle, no?
Me l'ha detto.
Vai, vai.
Vogliamo andare a vedere? Dai, piano piano.
Chestnuts, honey, and nuts. This is chili pepper jam. You can put on pecorino cheese and caciocavallo cheese.
Oh my gosh. Hope you were hungry.
Pour it all over there. Have a shot with it.
So here we have a strawberry,
Wow.
basil. This is a pumpkin. Over there. Ciro. Ciro is the Napoleon name.
Ravello.
It's very calm compared to Positano, Amalfi, Sorrento. It's quality. It's very cool to see the architecture and everything.
We ended our full day with Filippo in a little town called Ravello, which is full of very high-end hotels and I'm told great for destination weddings. That's all for now. Check out our next video where we head to the ultimate day trip in Capri.